guys, so today what we're going to learn is the area of a triangle, okay? Now coming back from geometry, we're looking for something with a side, angle, side. And remember that side, angle, side, they're all touching, okay? There are three formulas. You really only need to know one, okay? So I know what you're saying. Area is usually big A. Here it is K. It's because we've already used big A as an angle, so they wanted to use a letter not common. YK, IDK. Okay, yes, I will keep my day job. So it's 1/2 AB sine C. And what I want you really to notice is I have one of every letter, two sides, and the angle. I could use 1/2 BCA. Again, two sides, one angle, or ACB. It really doesn't matter what you choose. Okay, so here we go. Let's do an example. So find the area. Given, let's see, little a is 4.7, little c is 12.4, and big B is 47.3 degrees. Okay, so I draw my picture like we do always. A, B, C, and little c. So I know little a is 4.7, little c is 12.4, and big B is 47.3 degrees. Now, if you notice here, I have side, angle, side. Do I have one of everything? So I have little c, little a, and big B. So this is a nice setup. That means this is what I like to call a plug and chug. So K equals 1/2 the two sides, so 4.7 and 12.4, sine of 47.3 degrees. Now, my advice would be, let me move the camera a little bit. I would not worry so much about putting this as a fraction. I would replace this as a 0.5. So let me get my calculator going. Can we get it all in there? Let's see. We'll try. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. So it's 0.5 times 4.7 times 12.4 sine, what was it? Oh, good. Thank you. 47.3. Enter. So the area is 21.4. And that's it. There is my answer. Life is good. Okay. Now, I already hear someone say, what happens if we don't have a side angle side situation? How are we going to handle life? And it is okay. So here we go. Let's try little a as 13.9. Big A is 34.4 degrees. And big B is 14.8 degrees. Sorry. There we go. And so the question again is find the area. So let's draw this out. A, B, C, and C. So 13.9. No. You're right. That should be 34.4. Oopsie daisies. And 13.9. Big B is 14.8. So if you look at this right here, let me get another color going. I already have a side, an angle. Well, now I need this side. Okay, so that means I got to find little c. Can I find the angle for big C? And the answer is yes. The easiest part of this all, right? So it's 180 degrees minus the two angles. And if you trust me, I got 130.8 degrees. whoops, 30.8. Okay. So we need to find little c. So my question to you is, in order to start the law of science, we need to know all of a letter. Do I know all of a letter? And the answer is yes. We know all of A. So this will be 13.9 over sine of 34.4. Okay, and we got to find little c. Little c over sine of 130.8. Okay. And this is honestly the hardest it's going to get. Okay. So now we're going to do like we did before in the last lesson. We're going to cross multiply. So we get 13.9. It was 13.9. Oopsies. Sine of 130.8. Multiply here and we get c sine of 34.4. Remind yourself we are finding little c. So we're going to divide by sine of 34.4. Okay, so hopefully this is all looking very familiar. Okay, y'all can see it. Okay, clear, clear, clear. 13.9 sine of 130.8. Enter. Divide sine of 34.4. And we get 18.6. Okay. Now this is where you want to be careful. Are we answering the question? And I unfortunately did not, as a good teacher, write the question. It is find the area. Okay, but now notice I have a side, an angle, and a side. Now, in case you were thinking, what happens if I found little b and did little a, big C, little b? Guess what? That works too, as long as you have a side, angle, sine situation. Okay, we could have done little c, a, and big little b. Honestly, it does not matter. Okay, so here we go. K equals 1/2, oops, times my two sides. My two sides are 13.9 and 18.6. Sine of the angle in between them, which is 14.8. Okay. Clear, clear, clear. 0.5 times 13.9 times 18.6 sine 14.8. Enter. And the answer is 33. We'll call that 33. And there's your answer. I hope this has helped you.